You will use our Career Pathfinder to access the resources you need to research your career. Once you share your project with your teacher's Dropbox, you will see a link on your project's dashboard for the Career Pathfinder. Click this link to go to the Pathfinder. I've included a link to my career journey. You have been using this in class. Feel free to use this as a resource, just don't forget to cite it. Next, we have the print resources. Check the class card for appropriate titles. All the career books have been taken from Career Corner and put on a cart. Also, feel free to use the encyclopedias under the windows. You will need to cite any sources that you use. Just a quick refresher on Citing Books. Anytime you cite a source, start by clicking the bibliography link at the top of the page. Then, select your citation from the drop-down menu and click the Create Citation button. Now remember, the easiest way to cite a book is by entering the ISBN number in the search box and clicking the Search button. Hopefully this is your book. If you need some help to decide if it's your book, click the Retrieve Cover Image button. If the book looks the same as the one you have, it's probably right. If, however, it looks different, it still might be the right book. They may have changed the cover. You would then want to check the information to be sure it matches. If you think this is your book, you can click on the cover to select it. And then click Import Selected Source. Check over this information to be sure that it matches the book that you have. If anything needs to be changed, deleted, or added, do that now. Then click the Continue button, and your information will be added into the form. If your ISBN number did not work, or your book doesn't have an ISBN number, then you will need to fill this form in by yourself. Next, if your book had a chapter or section that you didn't use the whole book, then you need to click this plus sign. And then you add the information for your chapter or section into this area. When you're done, click the Submit button. Now you've added your source to your bibliography. To access the ebooks and databases available for your career research, click the Mac and VIA logo on the Career Pathfinder. You will then need to log in with our school's user ID and password. You can find these on the username and password Google Doc I have shared with you through Edmodo. If you already know what career you want to research, you can type it in the box at the top of the page and search to see what's available. However, if you're not sure what you want to research, you can click the Groups tab on the side of the page and then click Careers under View Groups. Scroll down the page until you find something that interests you. If you see a book you would like to read, click the Open Now button. Use the toolbar to help you read the book. The eye will show you more information about the book. The Table of Contents button will give you a listing of all the chapters. Click on a chapter to go to that section. This button will let you go between one-page layout and two-page layout. This button will show you a full-screen version of the book. Use the arrows either down here or up above to go from page to page. Click the magnifying glass button to search for a specific term in the book. The search results will show you where that term is located in the book. Click on one, and it will highlight it on the page. If you use an ebook as a source, don't forget to cite it in Noodle Tools. To do this, click the Cite button, and then select MLA 7. Finally, click Copy to Clipboard. You are now ready to paste your citation into your Noodle Tools bibliography. You're also going to want to check out the databases that we have available for you to research your career. To do this, click the Databases tab on the left side of the page. You'll see two are available here: Exploring Career Clusters Online and Top Careers with a 2-Year Degree Online. Click either one. Now you'll see you can access either of them and also the World Almanac for Kids Online, which has some career information. Click on any of these links. Exploring Career Clusters and Top Careers with a 2-Year Degree are both set up in the same way. You can either look through the list of jobs that they have available or search for a specific one in the search box. If you see your job listed in the search results, click on it. As you can see, these articles include a lot of helpful information, including a short overview and history of the job, a detailed description, requirements including education and training, suggested ways to learn more about the job and possible employers, how to get started and advance in the career, earnings and work environment, and whether the field is growing or not. Many of the articles include a brief video with even more information about the career. If you use a database as one of your sources, you will need to scroll to the bottom of the page, and then you will see a citation has already been prepared for you. You will make sure that MLA is selected, and then highlight the entire citation, copy it, and paste it into your bibliography in Noodle Tools. The other database that is available for you to use is the World Almanac for Kids Online. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see a button that says Career Ideas. Click on that. You can either browse one of the careers in the list or search in the search box. Narrow your search results by clicking Career Ideas on the left side of the page. Then, look for the name of your career, followed by the word Overview. Click on that link. This will take you to an article about your career. On the left side of the page, you will see links to other sections of the article. If you choose to use this article as a resource, you will need to cite it in Noodle Tools. Again, scroll to the bottom of the page, be sure that MLA is selected, and then highlight the entire citation. Copy it and paste it into Noodle Tools. To cite your database article, select Database from the drop-down menu in Noodle Tools. Then select Reference Source. Now, click the Copy and Paste a Citation link. A box will open that's called Manually Edited Citation. Paste your citation in this box, and then click the Submit button. The next section of the Pathfinder covers free websites. I've included screenshots showing you how you can use Destiny to search for career resources on the web. First, you will need to click the Destiny Quest button. This will open Destiny Quest, and then you'll need to log in. Use the same login that you used to log onto the computers and also to log on to Noodle Tools. Next, I would suggest you click the Advanced Search tab at the top of the page. Type the name of your career in the box and also type the word career. That way it'll make sure that it's only searching for information related to your topic as a career. Click the Go button. Now at the top, you normally see library titles. Click the tab that says Websites. This will show you all the websites that Destiny has found on your topic. Click a link and it will take you to the website. Below that, there are also other websites that we have used for this project that we have found to be helpful. You can use any of these. Click on a link and it will take you to that website. Then you will need to cite your source. Choose Website from the drop-down menu and then click Create Citation. Fill in this form as best as you can. If you need help, please ask. Remember, the information below the dark blue line is about the specific page on the website that you're using. Most likely, it will have to do with the career that you are searching. There may or may not be an author, but you will definitely have a title for that page. Finally, you may choose to interview someone for this project. You will need to cite that interview as a source. To do this, select Interview from the drop-down menu and then click Create Citation. Now, from the drop-down menu, select what type of interview it was. Was it in person, via email, on the phone? Now you need to list your name and the name of the person that you interviewed. You are the interviewer, they are the interviewee. Click Add Another Contributor to add boxes for the second name. Finally, enter the date of the interview in the boxes.